So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So previously, when I've done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances. So today, little bit volatile move was present in the stock. So morning, we have seen a very good upside move, but again, before the closing session, we have seen the stock has entered into lower circuit zone, and surprisingly, we have seen huge volumes in the stock. So more than 4 crore shares roughly were got traded. So now we'll try to discuss what are the major updates related to BCG and followed by the near term levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so firstly, if we talk about the various updates, the first major update that was released on June 26 is related to the appointment of the Chief Financial Officer, that is CFO. So clearly they have mentioned about Lakshmi Narayan Raju as the new CFO of the Brightcom Group. So they have mentioned about him. What is the effect date from which he will be taking. So July 25th 2022 is the date, and few information about him also was provided in this particular update. So this was one major thing, and there were some updates that few questions were asked to the company owners as well related to the price movement in the Brightcom Group. So clearly they were trying to tell that all these were rumors, and they were telling sincerely to hold the stock for long term, because many shareholders in the recent days, they were having little panic mindset related to the stock. So related to that, so various questions which were arised, so they have answered, and few updates related to acquisitions like media mint, like audio companies. So all these things, doubts also were clarified. So mainly they're telling to hold only for long term. So people who can hold for the long term only need to enter in this stock. So this is not for a short term investments. That is a clear indication from the management. And last video, I think, when we have done the technical analysis, so clearly I told about 26-27 rupees level. So same people who were exactly following our levels, so still you need to wait patiently till it comes to the 26-27, like it is a safe zone. So quickly let's go to technical charts. Okay, so firstly, if you try to observe the weekly chart, so currently it has come down to somewhere around 33.35. So back to back correction is there. So the level that I have discussed is 26.84 rupees level. So many people got tempted today also, and there are various questions. Can we enter? Is it any reversal or something? Because always we need to follow the technical. Sometimes they may try to create a reversal type of thing, but again it will come in the downside direction. But people who are safe investors, who can wait patiently, then 26.84 would be the zone that we need to look for. Okay, so this is weekly chart. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay, so daily chart also, if you observe clearly, you can see all the levels previously which we have discussed. So everything, it has broke, and continuously it has slided in the downside direction. So now you can see next is 26.84 as we have seen in the weekly chart. This is only going to be one important level that we need to observe. So if it is giving any sort of reversal like 2 to 3 days, then you can expect some good upside move. So if not, again it may slide in the downside direction. So these are the possible levels. So only for long term perspective you can search for buying opportunities in the stock. So until then, patiently observe the levels so that we are discussing. So any other updates if the company post, that also we'll discuss. So stay tuned in the channel, subscribe it, also join the Telegram group. So thank you for watching.